Hey guys, Rich here at Flippin' for a Living. I hope you're having a glorious Sunday afternoon on a beautiful Easter day here in central Canada. Just want to talk about one of the basics you must have as a reseller, and that is a pressure washer. It can be used for so many different things. I got this one for 15 bucks and it works great. Today I'm using it to clean bikes. You just wet it down, it makes the bike look brand new. Take a picture right after. I already cleaned off this lawnmower with it. It totally takes the dirt out of skateboard decks. It takes the other person's stinky foot smell out of ottomans. We cleaned up this baby chair with it. It works super good for cleaning off computer and monitor screens. Even on the back where the dust is, it really gets it out of there. And of course, it works well on cleaning authentic Herman Miller chairs. This one has a cloth cover